Pro controller for Nintendo Switch. This can also connect to PC. User manual. Charging cable. It takes 2 hours to charge this controller and lasts up to 10 hours. Very easy to grip, fits in your hands nicely. Love the grip. This has turbo function. To pair the controller, go down to controllers. One option is to go to pair new controller. Make sure your Joy-Cons are docked before you pair this. You can pair controllers wirelessly or with a USB. I'm going to go back up to change grip order. Press any button on the controller, and there it goes.